Okay, what I'm putting out is I'm going to use this equation here to eliminate something from the first equation. So kind of looking at it, what I'm going to do is multiply. Let me write this down for you. Let's see. I'm going to say multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by -5. Now, what's nice about multiplying the first, I shouldn't say the first equation, the inequality by 3, and that's 3. It's not going to have any effect on the inequality. It's going to be 15x, let's see, plus 18y. And again, no effect on inequality. And that's going to give you 135. And I multiply the second equation, right, by -5. You get minus 15x plus 20y equals 55. Now what's nice about this, 55 is identical to, minus 15x plus 20y. So basically I can add it to both sides of that inequality without any effect on it. And what would you get? You would get 38y less than, I want to repeat, we're adding 55 to both sides of that inequality. And 55 is the same thing as minus 15x plus 20y. It's identical to it. And what do you get there? Well, you can get 190. Okay. What am I going to do now? Well, I'm going to divide both sides by 38. And what do you get? You get y, 190 divided by 38. Well, that looks like the number 5. So I'm going to say y is less than 5. All right? Y is less than 5. Now, by the way, there's two problems here. Not just y, but I got to get the x now. So I'm going to do it again. Exactly the same thing again. So let me erase this. I know what the y is now. We're done with this. Certainly I want to lose track of this. This is important to me. And now what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate the y. How do I do that? Well, I'm going to multiply the top equation by 4. I'm sorry, inequality. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say equation. And the bottom equation by 6. And what's that going to give me? Well, what's nice about the 4, it doesn't change the inequality at all. That's going to be 20 x plus 24 y, and 4 times 45 is 180. 6 times 3 is 18x minus 24y equals minus 66. Well, what I'm going to do now is add minus 66 to both sides of that inequality, and it'll have no effect on it. But adding minus 66 is the same thing as adding 18x and minus 24y to both sides. And what would you get? You would get 38x. And let's see what you get there. You get 1, 1, 4. All right, what I'm going to do now, divide both sides by 38. Now let's see, it looks like 3, doesn't it? Let me make sure of that, 90 and 24, yeah, 114. So what's x? X is less than 3. Let me highlight that. Whoops, that's not a highlighter. And let's read the key. Reading the key is actually what it just did there. And what they say y is less than 5. I certainly have that written down. And what else do they say? They say x is less than 3. And we're solved. They put the intervals down as well. All right? Thank you.